click the chart. The chart is selected, and the Chart Tools Design and Format tabs appear on the ribbon. Click the Chart Tools Design tab on the ribbon. In the Location group, click the Move Chart button. The Move Chart dialog box opens with the current chart selected as an object in the Forecast worksheet. You can move the chart to an existing worksheet or to a new chart sheet. In the Move Chart dialog box, click the New Sheet button to select it. Excel will set a default name for the new chart sheet based on the number of existing chart sheets and other worksheet settings. In this case, Excel names the sheet Chart 1, a name you will accept. Click OK. The dialog box closes. Excel moves the chart to the new Chart 1 chart sheet.